First, verify that you have all of the parts before discarding any packing materials. Here's a quick overview of the assembly process. Now for a more detailed look. Here's how the legs go on. Next, assemble the power transformer. This is how you'll attach it to the control box after you position the bed. And here it is. Unplug the power transformer before flipping the bed. Don't put too much side pressure on the legs when you flip it. Next, insert the mattress retaining bar. Now, put on the mattress. Attach the power transformer to the control box and plug it into an electrical outlet. Here's the programmable remote. It comes with presets but can be customized. See the manual for simple programming instructions. You can also control your new bed with your phone. To get started, scan the QR code on the printed manual and install the app. Follow the prompts for Apple or Android. While standing within 15 feet of the bed, establish a Bluetooth connection with the bed. You will see the bed in the app. Next, manually enter the code on the back of the included remote. Or you can scan the QR code on the back of the remote instead. That's it. Now you can control the bed from your phone. Now check out all the things you can do. Enjoy!